Hey, this is irepairMD. Today, what I'm going to show you guys to do is how to install the Vision camera gimbal guard, the flex cable guard on your system. And when you buy this on my eBay store, you're going to get two top guard and bottom guard here, okay? And what you need to do first is once you take it out, is you should see a double-sided tape right here. Let's go ahead and actually pull the tape off, okay? And then bottom half here. This is actually to adhere the bracket to your gimbal and also to silence any kind of vibration that it can cause. All right, so what we want to do is go ahead and flip the drone upside down. Okay, first thing is I want to install the top half. So what you do is you simply set it in and just fasten it in here. Make sure that the flex cable is clear. So gently slide it in and get it to meet where the top hole is, right here. And then you have a secure fit right here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do the bottom part. Again, go ahead and set it in. Make sure the flex cable is tucked inside here. And there you go. Make sure the contact is touched. And now you can see it's completely secure. It doesn't move. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the camera. Turn on the drone and show you how stable it is. Okay. As you can see, it moves freely with the gimbal. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. And to store it, you can store it with the guard on. You never have to take this guard off ever again. And that's again to protect your flex cable. These things are very expensive. If you crash and it separates, you'll rip the cable and you'll be down a $600 camera. So here's how you install the guard back in. So go ahead and actually slide it down. You see right here. So now you can store it away in your carrying case. And that's it. Alright, the gimbal's been installed. You can see I got the up guard and the low guard here, and you can see it's steady during flights. I'm gonna go ahead and actually fly it this time. So I'm gonna give you a video footage of how it's gonna look like when it's in contact. Okay, hold on. Let me get 8 signals. Okay. Alright, let me get the bang. Give you the gimbal footage. Alright. Okay. It's kind of windy. Alright, as you can see, this is the gimbal footage. The wind is about maybe 25 miles an hour right now. It's awfully windy, but you can see even though in 25 miles an hour wind, the drone is keeping pretty stable. moving the camera up and down. Yeah. Yeah, I'll lower it. Bring it to us. And you're looking at this. This is about 25 an hour wind. It's a little windy. It does not interfere with the operation of the drone at all. The camera's working just fine. It rotates up and down. As you can see there. It's gonna fight a little headwind. It's awfully windy. We're looking at, if you can see the trees, it's actually blowing down. All right. Vision Plus Flex Cable Camera Guard by irepairMD. This is Parag, irepairMD, safe repair.